Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Faceless YouTube Automation full course, and today it's part 4. We are already done part 3. Last 3 days ago I just uploaded, so you can watch these videos. And before playing this part 3, I will request just to watch serially. Okay, so first of all you have to watch part 1 so that you can understand our target and you can understand all the requirements that we need, and it's a basic. Okay, so that's the introduction. So definitely you should watch this video, and then you have to complete part 2 and then part 3. And today I'm recording part 4, and I think it will upload it today. Okay, so if you want to really make money on YouTube using faceless videos, so this video for you. So maybe you heard about YouTube automation. Okay, and you will find a lots of videos on social media, especially on YouTube, how we can make money on YouTube using YouTube automation, but there is no ultimate full guideline. Okay, so maybe have, but it would be a paid course over there, like you can access different YouTube gurus for different website where you can purchase. But my target is to encourage you who doesn't have enough money to create the videos or courses. Okay, so especially for a student. So if you are a student and you don't have enough money to access different kind of tools, paid tools. Okay, so maybe you're gonna learn step-by-step process and then you can apply. Okay, and this would be your ultimate goal in 2025 to making money YouTube automation. Okay, so no more delay, now let's get started. And if you are first time watching this video, so I will humbly request, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss this video when I upload. Okay, so today's topic is content planning. Okay, so let's have a recap of last video. So last video we just created a complete YouTube channel. I just showed you that how we can create a brand Gmail account and then how we can create a YouTube channel. And I also showed you that how we can design a YouTube logo and banner, and how we can write a description, is and everything. And this was the part 3. And the part 2 was I showed you how we can choose a specific topic and how you can research audience. And this is the part 1, that's been the introduction. Okay, and today we are going to doing a content planning. That's mean number 1 is brainstorm video ideas. So maybe you want to create tech videos or different story videos or different cartoon videos. Okay, or different finance, esports video. Those would be faceless, and definitely you need to know the videos ideas. Okay, and how we can do this? Very easy. We can use Gemini, ChatGPT, or DeepSeek, or any other tools that you can find different kind of video ideas under your topic. And we are just creating this topic under the niche that we already fixed, that luxury lifestyle. Okay, so maybe if you watch the other 3 videos, you can understand the niche. Okay, and the number 2 is research keywords. So first of all, video ideas. So let's see, we have choose the niche is luxury goods. We have find different kind of video ideas, and definitely we have to select the keywords. Okay, that's mean which keyword help us to rank the video in YouTube or Google search. That's the important, that's called YouTube SEO. So find a keyword that's are more searchable. So I will show you how we can find a keyword or a targeted different categories keyword. Okay, we will use different tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy. Okay, and finally, and 3, that's mean create a content calendar. So definitely you have to make a schedule. Okay, so make it 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. So as a beginner, always try to upload each and every single day. So every single day maybe you don't have enough time to think about to rearrange the video ideas, creating thumbnail, so that you can sit down for 1 week, and that's mean every day you can work for 2 hours or 3 hours. Okay, so before doing this, definitely you should have a calendar. That's mean the next day what you can do, and the day after tomorrow what you will do. Okay, that's the planning. So definitely you have to make a good planning, and definitely you have to create a calendar. That will help you, and that will save your time and money. Okay, all right, so the first is brainstorm video ideas. So let's back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how we can generate our video ideas. Okay, so before creating the video ideas, make sure your niche. So our niche was luxury lifestyle. So if you watch number part 3 videos, so you can understand. Okay, so let's create the video ideas under the luxury lifestyle. So you can use Gemini word DeepSeek. Okay, and I'm just writing here, I want 60 video ideas for luxury lifestyle in the US. So in this section, that's mean luxury lifestyle, this is our niche or categories. So you can change this section, that's mean you can change these 2 words, and you can rewrite your niche. Okay, so that should be your niche or your categories. That's mean, all right, so it's time to find our videos. Okay, so please enter, and ChatGPT will help us. Okay, so 60 luxury lifestyle video ideas tailored for the US audience, covering wealth, travel, fashion, cars, real estate, and more. So this is the luxury, wealth, and success. I think in this section 10, yeah, each and every part you will find 10 video ideas. Number 1 video, that's mean luxury, wealth, and success, and that would be our video title. Okay, so how the ultra rich make money while sleeping. Second, third, the secret investment strategies for billionaires. And this is how you can find all the 60 video ideas. Okay, under the each and every sections executed well with high quality visuals, engaging storytelling, and aspirational content. We do like to help the script writing or thumbnail ideas for this script. So this is how ChatGPT will help you to write the script. Alright guys, so this is how you can create 60 video ideas for your 60 days calendar. That's amazing guys. And next part, I will show you how you can create a script writing with proper title, SEO title, and also the tags. So you don't need to worry about the tags that you want to include your video tag section. Okay, this is our second prompt. So you can rewrite. So this is my prompt that I've already written here. Okay, so I want to create 120 seconds long video for every 60 ideas, target an audience in the US, make a script for every 60 ideas with more attractive and an end call to action, subscribe to more videos, add more info so that the audience love this, and add a clickable title first, and add 30 YouTube tags for each. Okay, so you can rewrite this. So let's press enter. Perfect. So that's a great plan. Since it is a large project, I will provide a structured approach to help you execute it smoothly. I will create one full script first, including the title, video tags, voiceover script, and call to action. If you like the format, I will continue the rest. Fantastic. So let's take the first one as a sample video ideas. So this is our first video idea and title. That would be the title. That's amazing. Okay, and these are the YouTube tags. You can copy and paste into your video. I will show you, no problem at all. And this is okay, 2 minutes. You can see 120 seconds, 2 minutes. We script over here. That's the intro hook. All right, and the scene part 2, arrival in style, and the part 2, that's mean the scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and outro, that's been call to action. Okay guys, so maybe you want to see this is in the paragraph style. Okay, it's a real script writing over here. Okay, so let's make a change. Okay, so let's comment again. The third command is make it in a paragraph with text. That's mean we want the script in a paragraph so that it can very easier, so we can copy and paste and we can produce the video. So this is the title, that's mean this would be our title, and this is the script, that's mean the video script. Okay, here you can see this is the video script and YouTube tags. So this is how you can create YouTube video ideas, and then you can generate the script, title and tags. Comment this video, that's been write a prompt. Here you can see. If you like this format, I will proceed all the 60 script in the same way. Let me know. So if you press enter, yes, and this ChatGPT will help you to create the rest of the 60 script like this. Alright guys, so our brainstorm video ideas has been done, and it's time to research keywords. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can find the best keywords and how you can research the keyword. Okay, so once you log in, so just click on keyword section and you will find a keywords option where you can search the keyword. Okay, so our first video would be inside America's most expensive homes. So this is the clickable title, so let's copy the title and just search over here. Okay, press enter and you can see the volume, that's mean the overall score is 35. It's a low, and search volume is 1257. medium, and competition is very high. So don't worry at all, because if you are selecting a high CPM niche, and that would be in the USA, so it's would be always competition is very high, so it doesn't matter, we just want to create the video. And you can watch related keywords. Okay, here you can see the related keywords: expensive homes and luxury real estate, Beverly Hills. Okay, so if you want to change the title, you can also input different keyword over here, and maybe you will find the differences. Okay, here you can see competition is high and search volume is low, overall score is low. And another one is Beverly Hills modern mansion, and here you can see the search volume and also the competition. So this is how you can find the best keyword that's are more searchable, that's mean the search volume is high. And always consider the competition, because you will be working high CPM keyword, so that's will always competition is high. So it's okay, no problem, and overall score is low, it's okay. So this is how you can create the keyword list. Okay, so each and every video when you upload into YouTube channel, always research the keyword first, and then use video IQ software to finalize and analyze your keyword density, that's mean competition, search volume and score. Find the best keywords over here. Okay, and the last, we're just going to create a calendar, and this is our calendar like Google spreadsheet. So you can write a title and you can input all the video title over here. Here you can see you can write a title, so you can manage wherever you are. Just use your internet, mobile or desktop, laptop tab. Okay, also you can share with your partners, okay, who wants to work with you, and you can manage this kind of schedules, very well. Alright guys, so this is for today's video. This video we have learned video ideas, how we can create video ideas using ChatGPT, how we can research keyword using vidIQ. Okay, and finally how we can manage and how we can create a schedule, that's mean how we can create a Google spreadsheet. Okay, managing all the things. So this is not 100% done. You have to practice, and you have to use your best knowledge in using different kind of AI tools like ChatGPT or other tools. Like it's a brainstorm. Okay, you can find video ideas, and finally you can use vidIQ. So if you don't use vidIQ at all, so just use these tools, and slowly and surely you will more familiar with these tools, and you will find different kind of ideas over here. Okay, so if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. So I will come back with very soon in the next video. That's been our video would be part 5. So you are welcome to part 5 video. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.